Hey guys, welcome back. If you guys want to see how I achieved this beautiful hairstyle, please be sure to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Hey guys, in today's video we will need some lead jam, eco styling gel, a white tooth and small tooth comb, some oil, and let's not forget some scrunchies for sectioning. So guys, let's start by prepping the hair. We're going to start by unloosing it and combing it through thoroughly with the white tooth comb. Okay, so now that the hair is detangled, we're going to start by sectioning the hair. I like to start with a smooth, straight part down the middle. So I'm just going to pat that. Then I'm going to go over it with some lead jam. And we're just going to go over the part again. Here's what the back looks like, and we're just gonna start with our first two sections. I was a bit out of frame, so you guys will see how I achieve this knotless braid in the next section. One braid down, 1,000 more to go. The length of this braid is waist length, just in case you guys were wondering. It's pretty long in my opinion. This is what it looks like from the side, and here's what it looks like from the back. And yeah, let's go on to the next braid. Okay, so we start by dividing that section into 3 sections like we would for a normal single. So we're gonna braid that like probably 2 times. Well, I did 3 times. Now we're gonna take the extension braid and we're gonna place one piece underneath the finger and the other piece above, and we're just gonna continue to braid as normal. Here we add in the next piece. We're gonna do the same thing underneath, between the index and thumb, and mix the remaining of braiding hair with the piece above the index finger. Some people do this so different, but this is my technique and this is how I achieve knotless braids. So I hope you guys understand, and yeah, let's get right into the rest of the hair. decided to slow this down so you guys can fully understand what I'm doing. So I'm going to be taking the braiding hair and add one piece on in between the index and thumb finger. And then I'm going to mix the remaining of braiding hair with my hair that is above the index finger. And we continue to braid as normal. And now we're gonna do the same thing again to the piece of hair that did not receive a braiding extension. Yeah, I hope I explained that properly. So I decided that I want to do the jungle effect on the braid, so you guys will just see me pull through a piece of hair to get that butterfly effect. Okay guys, so we're finished with the back row. Here's what the hair looks like from the back, and we're just gonna go ahead and do that to the rest of the hair. Okay guys, we're down to the last braid. I decided to record this part because I incorporated some goddess braids within the mix, so I'm just gonna demonstrate how I achieved that. So we continue braiding like normal. We add in the extension piece like I demonstrated previously. Okay, so at this point we're just gonna pull a piece of the braiding hair forward. I like to put this on my mode so that it doesn't get mixed up with the rest of the hair, and we continue to braid as normal. We're finally finished. So at this point I'm just going to go ahead and curl the ends of the hair and all the leave out pieces for the goddess braids. I'm going to dip it in some hot water, and I will get back to you guys to show you the finished products.